Good morning, my name is Randy Maas. I'm co-owner of Precision Investigations here in Wichita, Kansas. And this is a short video outlining some of the things that we do. The first thing we're going to talk about briefly is custody surveillance. In the state of Kansas, it is not germane to a case if a party in a divorce is unfaithful. However, as far as custody matters, it's important as to the character of a party in a divorce. So oftentimes we're called to do surveillance on one of the parties in a divorce proceeding if they are engaged in stuff that's not on the up and up. We've been successful in doing that, and as far as custody matters goes, it's very important. The second thing I'm going to talk about briefly is criminal defense. We've done some of that this year. We're also qualified to do biz work, indigent defense work. And we presently work with some attorneys here in town doing just that. The last thing I'm going to talk about briefly is medical malpractice investigations. Andy and I both have a background in healthcare. We also have a physician's assistant we work with, and we're pretty good at reading a chart. It can be quite costly to launch a med mal case, and I think we're pretty good at helping the attorneys cipher some of this stuff and see if it's worthy of taking it to court. So anyhow, I'm going to pass it off to my partner Andrew, and he's going to talk about some of the things that he's really good at.
Hi, I'm Andrew Saindon. I'm the other owner of Precision Investigations. My side of the operation is more on the tech side, and as well with some interviewing and some behavioral analysis stuff. So we have lots and lots of options tech-wise to augment your investigation. Anything from drones to GPS trackers to wireless pole cams that can be viewed from any cell phone anywhere in the world. We have a lot of options. We also do locates. We specialize in class action suit locates. So we take a volume badge, say 200-300 people that need to have information or checks sent out to them, and we can find all them people within a couple months for a class action suit attorney. It's a heck of a job, but we get that done. And we're very efficient at it. And then another thing that I do is behavioral analysis, statement analysis. So I do cognitive and kinetic interviews, which basically is just you sit down with somebody you need some information from, and you have a conversation with them, and you gather quite a bit of information from it. So that's my side of the operation. Anything else from you, Randy?
We've done a variety of things this year, from wrongful deaths to escorts out of the country, and we're fixing to do some other stuff as well. So anyhow, we just wanted to have a short get-to-know-you video, and we're located at the Kelly Law Building on 510 North Topeka. Come by for a cup of coffee. Thank you.
Thanks.